Looking to take your Photoshop game to the next level? Well, this plugin is a must-have. Introducing the Oil Paint FX plugin for Adobe Photoshop, a powerful tool that brings realistic painting effects to any image, and it's so easy to use. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this plugin works with Photoshop that's fully compatible with both Mac and PC. It works in any language, so you can start creating stunning artworks in no time. Here's what you get with the Oil Paint FX plugin: Jex Script, a UXP plugin for smoother integration, 3 high-resolution editable mock-ups, a detailed PDF guide to help you get started. Installation is super easy. Just follow the instructions, and you'll be able to start creating amazing artworks in minutes. This plugin is a game changer for anyone into Photoshop and photo manipulation. Create stunning oil paint effects, add your personal touch, and watch your art come to life. Here's the best part: you can download it for free. Just check the link in the description below, and you'll be all set to create your own masterpieces with this incredible plugin. Don't miss out. Grab Oil Paint FX today and start creating your art now. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips and tutorials.